President Museveni has reignited his push to completely ban second-hand clothes from being imported into the country. He made the announcement shortly after commissioning 16 new factories in the Sino-Uganda Mbale Industrial Park, some of which are involved in the manufacturing of clothes.
Ekigambo kyengoye enkadde kubanga zigenda munda bye wali nkutte engoye zammwe zemukolera wano bali abaana bali bensanze wali 2,000 abamu bakola engoye ziri awo mpya tukutuku naye tezisobola kuyingira mu katale kubanga engoye z'abafu ze zijjidde mu katale. N'olwekyo bannange ate temugamba nti Museveni ataamye, mwena mukkirize mugambe nti ebigoye ebikadde byali bya Idi Amin, bye bye. Kati tukola engoye abaana abakola mu ngoye bali ludda mujje wano mu maaso.
The president, on the other hand, has thanked the Chinese investors for reviving Uganda's textile industry. According to him, the investors have given him the strength to rid the country of second-hand clothes, also known as mivumba.
I want to thank the investors who invested in the textiles, because now they have given me strength to chase away second-hand clothes. Because there is nobody who will stand in my way when he sees this picture of these children here who have got jobs from textile factories and then start arguing in favor of second-hand clothes. And I
The Buy Uganda Bill Uganda was approved by Cabinet in 2014 to promote consumption and procurement of goods and services produced within the country, but the policy has not been implemented since, which the President has criticized.
Our people here, our investors, are making meters and cables of electricity. Instead of buying from them, baagala nnyo okusaka ez'ebweru. Kati mulwa okuswala bannange. Abantu bammwe beewuunyisa. Therefore, I have ordered all these government bodies, they must buy these meters from starting 1st of September. The Minister of Energy is here. The cables, the meters must be bought from our factories here and the ones in Kampala. Anybody who does not would have to go and look after his goats or chicken at home.
The chairperson of the Kampala City Traders Association, Thaddeus Musoke, has, however, called on President not to rush this decision because the second-hand clothes business employs many Ugandans who are as well paying taxes to government. Thaddeus adds that the majority of Ugandans are low-income earners who can only afford second-hand clothes.
To the President, we are organizing a petition to make sure they don't rush to implement such a strategy. Let the government engage different stakeholders to find a fair position in this. We think that the government, if it rushes, it would have error. And we leaders in the business community, we cannot allow that. We are ready to engage the government. We are having several petitions and different stakeholders we're engaging to make sure we protect our comrades who have invested heavily in this business. Secondly, we are protecting Ugandans. Majority of Ugandans cannot afford brand new quality clothes because they are so costly. And the fact is that the standards of living are so high, most of the little earned money is spent on essentials. So we don't have even the capacity to make sure that entices these our Ugandans to buy brand new clothes. So let the government be slow on this. Let us have several engagements, and then we find a fair position.
Earlier in 2017, when Uganda first tried to ban second-hand clothes, it faced threats from the United States government following a petition filed by Secondary Materials and Recycled Textiles, a leading exporter of second clothing in the United States. Samlani Fa, Smart 24 TV, Business Today.